this is James, and welcome to Epic Confections. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. It's been a minute or two since it's been quarantine baking with Mark and James, but we're back.
It was a week.
Yeah, but they missed us. They were like,
it was me they missed.
That's true. Anyway, we're back, bitches! Today, we're gonna show you, just sip your coffee. Is it good? It's iced coffee. He made fresh iced coffee this morning.
Tim Hortons. Can't do Tim Hortons right now.
Half the people watching don't know what Tim Hortons is.
Well, that's their own fault.
Tim Hortons is like a huge coffee chain in Canada. It's huge. Anyway, today we're gonna be showing you how to make a no-bake mud pie. Let's do it! Bobo, let's do it! Can you say let's do it? Speak!
Good boy!
Good boy! Yo! So to start, I have 3 cups of chocolate baking crumbs in this bowl. You can either buy them pre-crumbed or just put a whole bunch of cookies in a bag and just do it yourself. Anyway, 3 cups of the crumbs. I have here a ½ cup of melted unsalted butter. We're just gonna throw that right in here. Just using a fork, I'm just gonna incorporate that all together. So this is what it should look like when you're done incorporating that butter with the cookie crumbs.
Dirt mud.
Dirt mud, yeah. Next we're going to be taking a 9-inch baking dish, a pie baking dish, and we're just going to be pouring this cookie crumb and butter mixture right into our pie dish. So usually when I make these pies, I like to use a silicone spatula, just because you get a nice even surface. So I'm just pressing all that cookie crumb down, nice and firm. I'm also pressing it up on the sides of the pie dish. So once you're happy with how your cookie crumbs look in the bottom of your pie dish, I'm gonna stick this into the fridge while we work on our pudding. So next is gonna be our pudding, our chocolate pudding fill. You can make it from scratch. Y'all know I'm not doing that. No. I have some Jell-O, #not sponsored, chocolate pudding mix, 2 packages. So we're just putting the pudding mix into the bowl.
We're adding 2 cups of cold milk into our pudding mix.
So we changed our mind and we're going to be adding another packet.
Because he doesn't know if he's going to need enough.
Yeah.
All of that.
I haven't made this pie in a very long time.
So 2 more cups of milk.
Sorry, one more time?
So 2 more cups of milk.
So you can either use your electric mixer or just do it by hand like we're doing. You're going to have to mix this for about 2 minutes. So I just took my pie dish out of the fridge. It's been about 10 minutes since it's been in there. James just spent about 2 minutes whisking up this chocolate pie pudding.
Whisking up this pudding.
James spent about 2 minutes whisking up this chocolate pudding. We did end up putting 2 packs of the chocolate pudding in there, so it's 2 cups of milk per pack. We're gonna be pouring this mixture right into our pie dish and then placing this into the fridge for a good 10-15 minutes so it has time to set, and then we're gonna be adding some whipped cream on top of this bitch. So while our mud pie is chilling in the fridge, I'm just gonna whip up a batch of whipped cream in my mixer. Let's do it. All right, So I just finished whipping my whipped cream, a little bit of sugar in there. Just pulled out our mud pie, and James is just gonna put a nice thin layer of whipped cream all on top of the pie.
Thin layer?
Yes. While he's spreading that out, I'm going to be taking a large piping bag with a large rose tip. Oh, yeah. Just filling it up with a little bit of whipped cream. Whipped cream. I probably didn't need to do a full carton of this whipped cream, but you know me.
Extra.
Always overdoing shit. So we're just going to be making little rosettes all the way around the side of the cake. It's not a cake. They keep saying cake. It's a pie.
A pie. A pizza pie.
It's a pie. So just taking a little bit of cocoa powder in a small sifter. I am just going to sift a little bit of that cocoa powder all over the top of the mud pie. Look at that gorgeous bitch. Next, we're going to be taking a little bit more of that cookie crumble and just spreading it around the top as well.
My hands are clean.
So that's it, guys. This is our no-bake, very simple mud pie recipe. If you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Stay healthy, stay safe, and we will see all y'all next week. Mwah!